Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video we're going to be fixing Christina Aguilera's makeup vlog. I did another makeup vlog from Christina Aguilera and I really love that she was not afraid to experiment. I'm not really sure if she's into that bright colors and bright makeup looks right now, but I'm more than sure that she wasn't afraid to experiment. And today we're gonna recreate the look but with a little bit different twist, and I do believe that we needed to fix a little bit like this makeup look just to add a little bit different twist. And I guess we're gonna get started right away, guys. If you're interested, please stay tuned. We're gonna be doing the outfit of the day, and yeah, see you in a bit. Well, it's been a while. It's been a while from the previous Fix My Makeup look. We're gonna get started right away. I have a contour palette. This one is from Wet n Wild. So Christina doesn't wear lots of contour, like as far as I can tell, she doesn't wear any contour. That's why we have to create some bones, some structure first, and only then place some beautiful blush on top. I have in mind like a really beautiful eyeshadow palette. This one is from BH Cosmetics. I will tell you right away that we're not going to be focusing today on my forehead. So specifically, not focusing blush over my forehead. Specifically, I want to mention that makeup, in my opinion, is meant to emphasize all your natural beauty. When you try to put blush on top of everything and over your forehead, that's a little weird. We don't really blush here. It is what it is. So that's why we're going to just do a little bit of contour. So what I do, I'm going to grab a little bit of the color. It's really soft. It's from Wet n Wild. And I'm going to stamp it first with my Ingo brush. And then I'm going to diffuse the color. I want to mention one more thing. I did have camera the foundation with concealer and a little bit of powder. So I set my face with powder from Makeup Revolution. That's pretty much it. Nothing crazy. I don't really think that she has really anything wrong with her foundation. Basically, I would say it's the coloring. The same color goes over my forehead. I'm going to stamp it lightly and then brush out any harsh lines. But I can see she has a little bit of contour, probably like nose contour. Not sure that if she has any. Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna use some pointy brush, the same contour, and place it on top. I'm gonna create the guideline from one side, the same guideline for my second side of the nose. Bring this higher and then tone down the tip of the nose. That's it. We're gonna leave it like that because we're gonna set the whole face with setting spray, then use my beauty blender on top, and it's gonna take off a lot of powders. That's why I want to leave it like that. And we can see, well, I will never understand the problem with like lines instead of brows. It's something that is not working in my opinion. That's the main reason. That is the main reason why I would probably go to the brow pencil. This is my ultimate routine, brow routine. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I am gonna outline my natural shape as I always do, and as I showed you in the previous video, Get Ready With Me. If you have bushy brows and they have some color, you can skip like brow pencil and use a little bit of brow gel, and then fill out some blank space with NYX pencil or any pencil, brow pencil that you have. But I have no color, I have no shape whatsoever. That's why I have to create shape first. In case you feel like it's too sharp in this area, you can always take off some color off. Well done. I would need a little bit of my BH palette in very pretty color. This one is so pretty and bright, I'd say. A little bit different. So I'm gonna place it on top. So pigmented, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit more so you can see that it might look a little weird and harsh. Again, believe me, as soon as you place some setting spray on top with beauty blender, white beauty blender, it's just gonna wipe off a lot of the shade. And the same color goes over the nose tip. And I would need to add a little bit of my highlighter because she does have some highlighter on top, but I believe she has like glitter everywhere, like she has too much highlighter. That's why it's given a little bit, it's showing so much skin texture. It's not what we're aiming for. We're gonna add here and there, but not as much as she has. I love silver with pink. That's why we're using more Makeup Academy. This is Pearlescent Sheen lightweight powder that transforms your complexion with a luminescent shimmer. And I'm gonna place it right here. So it's given this really nice soft glow that we're aiming for. Over my nose bridge. And then of course, a little bit of my forehead. And then Hydrating Glow multi-use spray for face, body, and hair with coconut water, free from oil and alcohol. I've been raving about this setting spray though the fragrance is enhanced. And now I'm going over with my beauty blender. It's gonna smooth out all these powders. Super pigmented blush. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. I love this side. I'm gonna just tap it a little bit around my nose as well. I'm gonna get started with my NYX eye primer and then blend this out with my finger. Then I'm moving to my Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette and this beautiful transition color. This one is from some bobbling or something. And then I'm gonna use Big and Fluffy brush to create diffused makeup look and set my primer. And then I'm going to this really bright pink color and placing this in the outer corner. Make sure that you have crease brush, not a big fluffy blending brush. You can see that in the outer corner, the color is a little bit kind of bigger and brighter and has V shape. But to the inner corner, I created like a thick line, but it's not really high to my brows. Then I'm going to go into this beautiful red color, and to emphasize the color in the shade, I'm going to be placing a little bit of brown pencil over my waterline, and then with my pen brush, I'm going to stamp the shade. And with this really beautiful transition shade, I'm going to blend out everything and diffuse and make it look cohesive. And the soft pink is going over my inner corner, but I'm placing this up to my brows. I do believe that this is going to create this really nice shape. And with my highlighter, I'm just using my finger and creating this, luminous transition. And of course, I'm going to grab my Makeup Revolution palette and then this beautiful pink color. So we're going to create our own eyeliner. If you don't know how to do that, scrape a little bit of powder of this eyeshadows, then mix it with Cosme or like makeup remover. Any sort of makeup remover is going to work out, and then create your line. Of course, I did not forget about my black liner. I'm not going to create any shape because this black liner is going to be the base for my lashes, my future full size. Then over my waterline, I placed a little bit of this pink color. And then, of course, I coated my lashes with Essence Mascara and, of course, a little bit of falsies. And that's pretty much it, guys. I want to add a little bit darker shade for my lips. She has more nude shade. I have a little bit different one from Essence. This is Matte 07. I do believe that with the red eyes, like pink eyes, and lots of, pink everywhere, we should probably just tone this down a little bit. Kylie Hansel. I'm going to place on top like bright pink from Sephora. We're gonna brighten this up a little bit, give this freshness. Turn out to be really cool. Guys, I'm gonna create an outfit for you. Why not? Let's do an outfit. Why not? I'm gonna do full black moment for you guys. I'm gonna put on my black tights, my favorite black jeans, and I know that I showed you them so many times, but these are my favorite. This is such a cool I'm not really sure, sweater probably. It has some really nice shoulders. I'm gonna show you right in a sec. Literally obsessed with the structure of the shoulders. Yeah, I guess we're gonna do something monochrome. I am not gonna put anything on top. Let's stick to Christina Aguilera's earrings. I don't have exactly the same hair, but I have really cute option as well. Probably do some ponytail, I'm not sure. These are gonna be underneath, 100%. I love the print, I love the matching colors. It's really good. Wow, yeah, I love it. Now let me put on my belt. Okay, so this is much better. This is the outfit, guys. I can show you, so this is gonna be the outfit. We have black leather coat and then some black jeans. I have the print, and then I have underneath really nice black shirt, let's say. Not even shirt, some sort of sweater. Okay guys, and that is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this Fix My Makeup Look tutorial, and we try to concentrate on Christina Aguilera's makeup look, but I wanted to do this a little bit, I wanted to play with colors. But I hope you enjoyed this small Fix My Makeup Look, and I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. Love you so much. Bye bye.